Assalamu alaikum grade 7. This is your lecture of Oxford Progressive English. We are studying our unit number 7, water. You will open your books at page number 174. Today we are going to study our chapter number 3. It is a newspaper article. And the name of the chapter is At the End of Our Weather. Friends, in this chapter, the writer explains his personal experiences about the climatic change and global warming that is taking place in the world. He makes personal visit to many areas. He goes on the world travel for 3 years in search of climatic change, and he observes the climatic change, global warming and the melting of glaciers, which he discusses in this chapter. So let us study the summary of this chapter. The proper reading will be done in online lecture. At the end of our weather summary. In this chapter, the writer shares his experience about global warming through a newspaper report. This report tells about the destruction caused by climatic change. Nothing seems to be safe from the clutches of modern civilization. Even culture is also on the verge of destruction. So all this destruction is taking place due to climatic change and global warming. Let's now move towards the words meanings of this chapter. Words meanings. Number 1, negotiations, resolution of disagreements through discussions. Number 2, shimmering, glistening. Number 3, tumble, to fall down. Number 4, caution, warning. Number 5, muse, to meditate. Number 6, desperate, in great need. Number 7, porous, full of pores or holes. Number 8, submergence, to be covered completely with water. Now come to page 176. We are going to solve reading for understanding first 5 questions. So open your notebooks and start to write question answers. Reading for understanding. Question number 1. Describe the effects on the writer of the time when he lived in Peru as a child. Answer. The effect on writer was very strong and he could recall every moment of this time. Question 2. What evidence did the writer have for cautioning his father by saying it might not be the same now? Answer. While climbing to the Alps, he had seen signs of glacial change. Question 3. What was the idea which came to the writer when he wrote, I had just had an idea? Answer. He had an idea to go through all the world searching for signs of global warming. Question 4. What do you think the writer will find to tell his father about the Jacobemba Valley when he returns from his travels? Answer. He will tell his father the glacier may have disappeared altogether or it may have reduced greatly. Question 5. How do the ways in which the problem of flooding is tackled in Venice and Tuvalu differ? Answer. Venice has a huge budget worth 1.6 billion to spend on a system of protective floodgates, while Tuvalu has no such thing. Students, we will write these question answers in your notebooks and learn them. Students, now come to page 176. Here is an exercise vocabulary. Explain the meanings of the following using your knowledge of other words and context and your dictionary to help you. These are the words. It is your homework. You will explain these words by using your knowledge of other English words. You can also get help from the dictionary. Now, on the next page, there is another exercise, homophones. You have read previously about homophones. You have read about them in grade 6 also. So you will solve this exercise by yourselves. The homophones are whither and whether, and you will solve this exercise as homework. Allah Hafiz.